Hey guys, welcome to another episode of SuTube. It is November the 3rd. Today I'm going to be taking another look at my macro analysis, as well taking a look at that beautiful trade setup that I pointed out yesterday. Hopefully some of you were able to capitalize on that. If that sounds good to you guys, hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and with that, let's get it. Alright guys, diving into my weekly chart here. As I pointed out yesterday, I absolutely love the fact that we're closing a weekly candle above this 0.618 rejection point that I love to look at. The fact that even this current weekly candle basically wicked right to it just below and is currently in the green once again. One thing we have to be cautious about, guys, is for one, with the election tonight, things could get very volatile for the next few weeks. Doesn't have to happen, but just something to keep on the radar. Second of all, we do have this horizontal resistance here, the top of that wick, which we're basically fighting with right now. And as well, one last thing I want to point out for the short term would be that since we are in this green upward sloping channel that I've been pointing out for weeks now, we are very near the top of that, so that's also a potential resistance point, guys. So just a few things to keep you on your toes on the macro trend here. Of course, you guys know from my previous videos, I'm very bullish on the macro trend here, but just in the immediate short term, things could get a little bumpy here. Alright guys, zooming into my 15-minute chart here, you know in yesterday's video I pointed out this downward sloping yellow resistance line, and I had mentioned that I was looking at potentially adding to my position. I did add before we actually got above this yellow because in my video I had pointed out the potential support along this green box, and to me it looked like we were holding it in this general area here. We got a little bit of a double bottom, and you guys know that I was interested in adding to my position there. I was actually very tempted to add to my position again with this breakout. The fact that this candle closed so much higher than the trend line, I was hoping for a bit of a pullback, if anything, to add to my position. Possibly even a retest of the yellow line, maybe getting in line with this horizontal support here. But the fact that we jumped up so hard, I wasn't willing to throw that much more risk on the table. So, and even here, guys, I added a very small amount compared to the rest of my position. So that's just kind of what happened there. Actually, I think I can dig up a clip of me talking about how I was looking to play this here. At any moment, basically, if we can hold this green box as some sort of a double bottom, even if we do drop to it, as long as we hold it as some sort of a double bottom, I think it's only a matter of time until we break this downward trend line, just because I think we are so bullish. And then I think we might start trending back to the upside. Alright guys, that couldn't have played out more perfectly, so hopefully some of you were able to capitalize on that. I see that I have a few new subscribers again and had a decent amount of views for what I'm used to, so hopefully some of you guys were able to see what was happening there, what I was pointing out, and be able to get into some sort of a position, guys. I have updated my stop loss on my position here to this red line. Just above 13.5k basically, so a little bit of a profit there. I am hoping that it continues to rally with the election. I honestly don't know exactly what's going to happen here for the immediate short term, but basically I'm willing to hold on to this position. I won't take a loss on it, but I will be willing to take a small profit if there is the chance of a much larger profit, guys. Even on a 25x trade here, which is what I've been in for my position here, if one of you guys would have taken this trade, even where we're at right now, you'd be at over 100% profit currently, which I am on the remainder of my position, so that's absolutely great to see. We are flirting with that 14k resistance again, having a little bit of a hard time there, 14.1 more so. So we're going to have to see if we can break through that. It might take a couple more tries. Maybe we'll just get a harsh rejection here. Who knows? Speaking of that, obviously none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research before investing or trading. It's a very high risk market, you guys. That being said, guys, this is kind of a quicker video. I just wanted to point out this trade setup that has worked out absolutely beautifully. Again, hopefully some of you were able to take advantage of that. And just wanted to point out a little bit more of my macro analysis here, things to watch out for, and as well how things are looking to me. So far, I don't see anything to worry about, but there is always that potential downside, guys. So just keep that in mind. Have proper bankroll management, that sort of stuff, guys. If you appreciate this content lately, if you wouldn't mind, give me a thumbs up, give me a subscribe, and comment. Let me know what you agree with, what you disagree with, that sort of stuff, guys. And share this video if you find it helpful, or if you know someone who may find this helpful if you don't. So everything that you guys do, the thumbs up, the subscribes, the sharing, I've seen a few retweets. That being said, follow me on Twitter, StuTube Trading, obviously. But yeah, I've seen a few retweets and that sort of thing, and it's just great to see, guys. I could not appreciate it more, so thank you very much. That being said, guys, I am out. Stay safe out there, my friends. Peace.